Guys, welcome back to another video, and I know I haven't posted in a long time, but I am right now. And so I don't want this video to be too long, but shout out to Chloe K because I still have the slime that we made together, and I'm going to be pigmenting it to like this dark blue, but it'll probably I hope it like gets shiny or something. So, and then I'm just going to be fixing my old slimes like it says in the caption. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Well, Samuel, I know you said that you could help me edit on Discord and tell me when you're free on a day when we could video each other on Discord so I could finally, what is it called? Whatever, something to my videos, okay, whatever. So first up, I'm going to be, I've never touched this slime in 3 years. I keep my slimes, I don't really throw them away because I don't like to. So it's going to get really sticky here. Wait, I didn't even make it so you could see the slime. What am I thinking? Do I have to start this video over again? Shoot. How do I keep this up? Here, I'll put this. Okay, that's better. So now that you can see me, I'll be fixing this slime that I've had for a couple of years. And since it's really sticky, I added clay in it, but at the bottom it's super sticky. I'm going to be putting borax on my workplace and then onto my hands and then onto the slime to make it extra good. So yeah, on my hands, and I'm just going to... Okay, so now I'm ready to touch the slime, which I'm actually not really prepared to do. Okay, so actually it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was literally just water and glue. Mom, turn that off, please. Mom.
Okay, I heard you.
Okay. She keeps on ruining my video. This is the second take I had to do because she keeps on ruining it. Okay, so this is how it looks. It doesn't look too good. Yeah. Shoot, why did I wear a white shirt for this video? That's just really stupid. I'm just going to get it dirty and I haven't worn it yet, I don't think, from Forever 21. So yeah, it's not sponsored by this video because I only have 30 subscribers and I don't think that'll ever happen. But yeah, I just wanted to say that. So this is how it's going out so far. I might just add, oh my gosh, I forgot food coloring. Should I start this video over again? Whatever, I'll just go get the food coloring in the pantry. Okay, now it's overactivated, so I don't have any glue right now. That's why I did fixing my old slime, so I probably wouldn't have to use glue. But yeah, I think I just ruined it even more. Because I think, actually, no, I didn't. Because old slimes, I mean, this video is going to be boring. I feel like it's boring really much. I mean, that doesn't make sense, but I don't really care. So, yeah. And I just get this clay off here. And it's not Daiso clay. It's a different kind of clay, no brand clay. Because I didn't want to spend any money because I barely even have any. Okay. Well, I guess I don't really know what to do this one because it's just really ugly. Actually, I'm going to add glitter and then I hope that'll look better. Hopefully. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is really hard to open. Oh wait, I should have put my mouth on it because I just put my hand on it, which had borax on it. Oh shoot. My brother's friends are here, so I gotta be kind of quiet so they don't know I have a YouTube channel. Really? I knew that was gonna happen, but I didn't really care, so yeah. So I'm gonna add that much because I have some right here. Just gonna mix it. Mom, could you please stop talking?
Sorry.
Okay, now I'm just gonna mix this into it. Okay. So this is how it looks right now. Kind of pretty, I guess. And I'll just keep it like this. It's not that rubbery, but it's kind of. So I'm just gonna mix more of this glitter that's on the table. Okay, so this is the outcome of this slime. I personally don't think it's a cute color, but I personally don't really like the texture. I'm not really a fan of it. It's kind of dull. And comment down below, yes, comment YES if you want me to do a video of ASMR, like crunching things, not eating, because that's just kind of weird. I don't know why I did that in the first place. Wait, did I do that in one of my videos? I don't think so, so I'm glad I didn't. Okay, so I guess I'm done with this slime because I don't want this video to be too long. This is how it looks up close. Still ugly, but anyways, I guess good enough. Okay, on to the next slime. I am going to fix... I forgot that this one was really sticky. Chloe, this is the one you gave me for my birthday. And I still have it. I still have a lot of things that you gave me, Chloe. Okay, so I'm just going to mix in this board because that's on this table right now. I'm just going to go in with it. So I'm just going to go all in with my hands. Hopefully I don't get on my white shirt that I've never worn before. Okay, so just going to add some borax and then mix. Here. To put some on my hand. Okay, now I should go into my two hands. Go down low so they don't see my shirt. Okay, so still really sticky. I'm trying to make it not sticky. Okay. That was horrible. Okay. I'm really happy today because my brother and my dad are coming back from their 8th grade trip from DC. And yeah, and New York, DC and New York. I'm excited to see him today. We could have, we barely got through this weekend with just my mom because my dad helps us so much. So, shout out to you, Dad. Even though you don't watch my videos because kind of boring, but yeah. I don't really know the true reason. He watches my brother's YouTube channel sometimes, but never mind. It's kind of sad, but anyways. Okay, so this is how the slime is. This is how it looks up close, by the way. So I'm going to be making it really, really soft. So I'm going to be adding in some baby oil. Okay, because it makes slime really soft. Fun fact. I don't know if it's a fact or opinion, because some people might not think things are soft when I do, so, yeah. Just put a little bit of, never mind, I don't even know what to call it. So I'm just mixing that in, and, usually, when I'm done mixing it in, I don't really feel the softness yet, but after, a couple of days, you, feel it, being really soft, because I have a slime that I use baby oil, and it was, so soft. I was, in love. I kept on playing with it for, so long. So next, I'm going to be going to add some gold glitters because I think I need some gold glitter. I just put an oil on my hands and so I totally can't open this. Darn it. I guess I'll put this glitter in it. Okay, that was a lot, but I guess I have to do with it because I can't take glitter away from slime. Okay, I'm just going to mix that all in. Okay, now all you see is the glitters I just put in right now, not the glitters that were previously in there. Actually, I forgot about these sugar beads I had, so I'm going to be adding some of these in too. Actually, I already kind of feel the softness in the slime. Okay, so I think that's good. Okay, now I'm just going to mix these in. It's going to feel really good because I love how it feels when sugar beads rub against your skin when you put it this line. It feels pretty good. So, and now my workplace is a mess, but you can't really see in the video. So it looks. It's really bubbly, and I really like it. And it makes kind of pretty slime swirls, I guess. And let's see how the clicks are. All right, but you can't really do it with the sugar beads in it. So yeah, that's that slime that I just made. And now next, I'm doing the bonus thing that you guys all have been waiting for. hopefully, is this slime. I haven't really touched it in a while, but, oh, it's not even sticky. It's still like a super good slime, surprisingly. I kind of don't want to ruin it. It's like, me and Chloe didn't put any scents in it, and I had it at my house for like 2 years. I haven't put any scents in it. It smells like candy. Oh my gosh, it smells good. I don't know if it's just the borax or what it is, but I'm just gonna put this all out. Oh jeez. Okay, so it's kind of sticky at the bottom, actually. Okay, that was satisfying. This is the container it's in. It's like, oh my gosh, wait, I need to put this video more down so you can see more. Okay, now I need to kneel down more. So yeah, this is the big slime. If you can't really see how big it is in the video, I don't think, because I don't watch the video, you're not going to see my face. All you're going to see is my pants and my shirt. Oh my gosh, it's so like, feels so good. Okay, those clicks are the loudest I've ever heard. Okay, now let's be ready for the bubble test. That was loud. It has good bubbles, but I have a kind of a little space here. And yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with the slime. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. So next, sorry, I had to play with it. It feels really good. And after this video, I'm probably gonna play with it for like 20 more minutes. Okay, so now there's a lot of pigment in here because a little bit goes a long way in slime. Since this is a big slime, I'm gonna put pretty much a lot. Okay, so that is a lot. Okay, so I need to put it more down. Barely see it. Okay, now that you see it more, it's really close up so you can't see the whole thing like on the sides. But let me move this real quick. Okay, so let's see how it turns out. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I don't know if you guys can see the like metallicness in it. Like, if you just look up close, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. But hopefully it looks so metallic, like, oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna mix that all in. Oh geez. My shirt. Oh shit. This was not very a good idea to wear a white shirt with making slime with pigment and stuff. Okay, so I might need a lot more actually. How is this 10 minutes already? It doesn't seem like it's been 10 minutes. Sorry guys, since my videos are very long, I just need Samuel to give me a tutorial on how to edit my videos. If he's watching that video. This video, what am I talking about? So I'm gonna put lots more pigment because you could barely even see that I even put pigment in the first place. So I'm gonna put like half the bag. Okay, that's a lot. It looks like a block, but when you mix it in, it's like nothing. Oh my gosh. It's like splattering everywhere. Oh yeah, I forgot pigment makes slime sticky. So I might need to add, oh my gosh, this is a big mess, guys. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna stand up so it doesn't get on my shirt. I feel lots of hair in this slime. And oh no, I hope it doesn't stain my thing when I'm doing this on. Okay, that sounds weird. Okay, Okay, now it just turned into an ugly color blue, and I think I literally just ruined it, but I just did it for the vid, so please like this video since I just ruined like one of my favorite slimes. And yeah, I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that and mix it all up. I don't know if I should put anything else in here. Should I put glitter, beads? Okay, so now that this is the result of this slime, I'm kind of sad that I ruined it, but it's fine, I guess. I've had it for a long time, so I'll probably throw it away soon. Should I add gold glitters? I wish you guys could just speak to me because I don't even know, and now my hands are like pigmented blue. I guess I'll baby oil. Lots of that. Okay, now mix, mix, mix. I'm gonna go fast with my hands. Okay. Oh, this is a workout. It's like I'm doing this in fast mode. That sounded weird. Can anyone comment on this video as soon as possible if you guys want to play Roblox with me? And if you don't have my name, then tell me it, and I'll friend you, and you'll friend me back, and then we'll play together. And I have lots of fun games I like Fashion Famous, Real High. If you're a boy that want to play with me, then I don't think you should play because I play lots of girl games. So yeah, this is how slime turned out, even though I said that like 5 times. So I hope you guys all liked this video. Shoot, I just fell. Oh my gosh, that was embarrassing. Okay, anyways, let's get on with what I was talking about. I was talking about like this video and friend me on Real High. So, or you give me your name and I'll friend you. Anything you want to do. I might, because I think it'll be better if you tell me your name, because if you friend me, like, because lots of people friend you, you know how it is. Everyone that, like, every game that you go to, at least one person follows you. It's, like, so annoying. Like, all the noobs following you, because they, like, see, oh, she has Robux. Anyways, so give me your name, and then I'll friend you, and then just know that my Roblox name is Selah@Roblox, all one word, and Selah, S-E-L-A-H. Some people don't even know how to spell my name. Okay, how it seems kind of easy, maybe because I've had it for like 10 years. So yeah, hope you like this video. Like and subscribe.